There's one essential item that you need in your camera bag, and it's probably not what you think. What's going on? Welcome back to another video. Another busy week at the studio. Plenty of shoots going on. We're busy. We've got Liam behind the camera, our new editor. And yeah, we're flat out at the moment, and obviously delivering YouTube videos for you guys. We've got a competition running on the channel at the minute. It's just finished, of the chance to win a 500GB SSD, and the winner is going to be announced at the end of this video. But don't worry, we've also got another competition starting today, so stick around for that. So you're probably thinking, what is this item that he's talking about? Is it the camera? No. Is it the lens? No. Microphone? No. The item that I'm talking about is this, a Leatherman Sidekick multi-tool. This item is probably the most used item in my camera bag, and it's got us out of so many problems whilst on a shoot. We've all been there on a shoot where you need to attach your camera to the base plate and you're fumbling around. Obviously you can screw it finger tight. That's going to be an absolute nightmare. Excuse me, have you got a coin? Yo, have you got a screwdriver? No? I'll just use my keys. SD card? Pen? Flip-flop. That's gonna, we can't use that. Obviously I'm just messing about, but the one thing that I do always carry is this, a Leatherman multi-tool. We were on a shoot last week with our client from the vehicle leasing company, and we have to fit registration plates, branded registration plates, to the vehicle. The client had turned up, he forgot a screwdriver, he pretty much forgot everything that you needed to do it. But luckily I had a Leatherman multi-tool in my bag with a crosshead screwdriver on it. So that meant we could whip it on and off without any real dramas. Also, switching between a tripod and a gimbal, we need to ensure that the camera is secure on these items of equipment. It wouldn't be ideal to be trying to screw it on with a coin or an AirPods case. So we need to use something like either a screwdriver or a multi-tool. Again, when you're on set and you're trying to flag and you've got gaffer tape and you've got screens behind you, if you need to cut off a piece of that screen, you've got a knife in there. There's so many ways to use it, and it seems to be the most versatile bit of kit that I actually have in my camera bag. I can't emphasize the point of having one of these in your camera bag. I've been carrying this one in particular since I was in the Navy, which some of you may not know that I was an engineer before my life as a filmmaker on YouTube. And I'm pretty sure I've fixed most of the British naval fleet using one of these. So it's definitely a handy bit of kit to have around. It's that good, in fact, I'm gonna give you guys a chance to win one of these. In fact, it'll be this one in particular because I've just got a brand new one. Therefore, this one's up for grabs. To be in with a chance of winning, there's a link in the description box below. It'll give you all the details of how to enter, and even if you don't win, I really suggest you go out and buy one of these. Again, I'll leave a link in the description below. So last month's competition, who won the 500GB SSD? The instructions are quite simple. You follow the link, it'll take you to my Instagram account, drop me a message that says SSD, I'll double tap and like it, and the winner would be revealed today. So, drum roll please. The winner of this month's competition is @MaramBamBam. I'll put a picture of Maram's profile picture up there. He or she must be a massive fan of the Tiger King documentary, having a tiger as their profile picture. So congratulations on winning the SSD. Send me your details and we'll fire one out in the post here. So just another quick video this week, a bonus video. I needed to announce the winner of the competition for last month and launch this month's competition. So I hope you've enjoyed it. Congrats to the winner, and click the link in the description below. Enter for this month, and I'll see you on Sunday for the regular upload schedule. Thanks for watching.